And it goes a little something like
For today's video, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano makuha ang determinant ng isang 3x3 matrix gamit ang pivotal element method. Una, kailangan natin hanapin ang pivotal element. Ang pivotal element ay nag-equal to 1. Since may 1 tayo dito sa ating given, hindi na natin kailangan mag-divide in order to get the pivotal element. Since meron na nga tayo, kailangan natin i-ignore or i-disregard yung mga elements na nag-i-intersect sa kanya. Pwede kayong gumamit ng highlighter or any color of pen na gusto nyo para i-mark at di kayo malito. Yan. Tapos niyan, meron na nga tayong pivotal element which is equal to 1. Kailangan natin ilipat lahat ng remaining elements dito sa gilid. Yan. Magiging siya negative 1 raised to 1 plus 2. Ngayon, saan natin nakuha itong 1 plus 2? Kuha natin siya dahil yung ating pivotal element number 1 ay nasa row 1 which is ito, tapos column number 2 1, 2. Yan, nasa column 2 siya, kaya 1 plus 2. Yan, yan. Lilipat natin siya 6 9. Ngayon maglalagay tayo ng space dito sa gilid kasi maglalagay tayo ng solution dyan mamaya. Ayan, ito na 5 negative 4. Ayan. After nyan, magsasubtract tayo dito ng numbers na nag-i-intersect sa ating remaining element. Gaya nito, itong 6. Nag-i-intersect yung mga numbers sa kanya which is negative 2. Yan, ito negative 2. Ngayon, multiply natin siya dun sa number na nandun sa row na nakatutok sa kanya which is this number, that's 2. Yan. Same din siya dito sa ibang mga given. Yung itong 8 multiply by 2. Tapos dito naman sa 5, magiging siyang negative 2 multiply by number 3. Dito din, minus siya sa 8 multiply by 3. Ngayon, pwede kayong gumamit ng calculator para makuha yung mga value nitong mga problems na ito or equation. Ayan. Once na nakuha niya na, ililipat niya siya dito sa baba. Magiging itong negative 1 raised to 3. That's 6 minus negative 2 times 2. Ang makukuha nyo is positive 10. Dito naman, 9 minus 8 times 2. Makukuha nyo is negative 7. Dito naman is 5 minus negative 2 times 3. Magiging siya positive 11. Dito negative 4 minus 8 times 3. Magiging siya negative 28. Yan. Yan. Pagka nandito na tayo, kailangan natin mag cross multiply. Yan. Yan. Cross multiply natin yan. Magiging siya Negative 1 raised to 3 is equal to negative 1 times, cross multiply tayo, 10 times negative 28 minus negative 7 times this number 11. Yan. Yan, gagamit tayo ng calculator para makuha yung mga value niyan. Magiging siyang negative 1 multiply by negative 280 minus negative 77. Yan. Ngayon, dahil negative sign, multiply mo siya doon, magiging siyang positive 77. Negative 280 minus 77 is equal to negative 1 multiply by negative 203. Ngayon, multiply natin siya, negative 1 times negative 203, magiging siyang positive 203, which is now our determinant. Yan na yung ating final answer. For our second example, gagamitin naman natin yung pivotal method sa isang 4x4 matrix. Ngayon, gaya ng ginawa natin kanina, hanapin natin yung pivotal element number 1. Hindi na tayo mahirapan kasi given naman siya sa ating problem. Gagamit tayo ng isang highlighter para disregard lahat ng number na nag-intersect sa ating pivotal element. Yan. After nyan, lilipat naman natin lahat ng elements na natira sa ating matrix. Ano ang ating determinant is equal to negative 1. Yan. Tapos ito, mga remaining 3, 21, 8, negative 3, 25, 9, negative 7, 22, negative 9. Yan. After natin ma-rewrite, mag-subtract tayo sa kanila ng mga numbers na nag-intersect sa kanila, kaya nito. Yan, ito dalawa na yan. Yan, 3 minus, nasan siyang column, yan, which is the number 5 multiply by negative 3. Ganun din dito sa ating pangalawa, 21 minus 11 times negative 3. Dito din, minus 10 and negative 3. Dito naman, negative 3 minus 1, which is the number 5 sa ating row. 25, ito naman, which is 11 times 4. Dito is minus 9 minus 10 times 4. And dito, negative 7 minus 5 times 8. 32 minus 11 times 8. Then negative 9 minus 10 times 8. After natin ma-input lahat yan, pwede na natin i-solve lahat ng parentheses sa ating problem. We can use our calculator for us to able to compute this problem. Yan, dito negative 1 raised to 1 plus 1. Ngayon, saan natin nakuha to? Nakuha natin yan dahil yung ating pivotal element is located at the first row and the first column of our matrix. Kaya maging siyang 1 plus 1. Ayan. For this value, negative 3 minus 5 times negative 3 is equal to 18. Dito 21 minus 11 times negative 3 is equal to 54. 8 minus 10 times negative 3 is equal to positive 38. Dito naman is negative 3 minus 5 times 4 is equal to negative 23. Ito naman 25 minus 11 times 4 is equal to negative 19. Ito 9 minus 10 times 4 is equal to negative 31. Ito negative 7 minus 5 times 8 is equal to negative 47. Dito naman 32 minus 11 times 8 is equal to negative 56. Dito negative 9 minus 10 times 8 is equal to negative 89. Ayan, meron na tayong 3 by 3 matrix. As you can see, wala tayong pivotal element number 1. Ngayon, para magkaroon tayo ng pivotal element number 1, kailangan natin i-divide ng any number na nandito sa ating matrix. Kahit alin dyan, pwede kayong pumili ng isa para yun yung ating magiging pivotal element. Kaya ako, pinipili ko is negative 23. And kailangan lang natin siyang i-write dito sa baba. Ngayon, ito ay magiging negative 1 squared is equal to positive 1 times yung napili nating number, negative 23. Yan. After nyan, i-divide natin to doon sa row or column na malolocate yung ating napiling number. Ito ay magiging 18 divided by negative 23. Yan, negative 23. Tapos dito, negative 23 divided by negative 23 is equal to 1. Ito naman, negative 47 divided by negative 23 is equal to, giging positive yan, yung dalawa. Ngayon, yung mga natitira nating element is as it is lang yan. Ililipat lang natin siya dito. 54, negative 19, negative 56, 38, negative 31, and negative 89. Yan. After nyan, gaya ng ginawa natin dito sa unang part ng ating problem sa 4x4, ganun din yung gagawin natin dito sa ating 3x3 matrix. Disregard natin lahat ng elements na nag-intersect sa ating pivotal element. Yan, yan, mga number na yan. Yan. Ngayon, i-rewrite natin lahat ng natitirang elements ng ating matrix. Magiging siyang 1, negative to, negative, yan, negative 1. Yan, saan nalolocate yung ating pivotal element? Sa first row and second column. Ngayon magiging yan, nalolocate siya sa ating first row, tapos second column. Yan, kaya magiging yan 1 plus 2 multiply by negative 23. Yan, magiging ito, lilipat na natin yung mga remaining elements. 54, 38. Maglilive tayo ng space sa tabi niyan kasi maglalagay tayo ng solution dyan mamaya. And the next is negative 56 and negative 89. Yan. After nyan, lahat ng number na nag-intersect sa ating remaining elements ay susubtract natin. Yan. Ito is magiging 54 minus, yan, dito negative 19. Tapos kung ano pa number na nag-intersect sa kanya, and ito yun, the negative 18 over 23. So ating number 38, number 38 minus negative 31 multiply by the number intersect sila, which is this negative 18 over 23. Next, negative 56 minus negative 19 times 47 over 23. Ganon din dito, negative minus negative 31 times 47 over 23. Ngayon gagamit ulit tayo ng calculator para ma-solve itong mga problem na ito. Ngayon, katapos natin may input lahat yan sa calculator, ang magiging value niya is negative 1 times negative 23 and negative 54 minus negative 19 times negative 18 over 23 is equal to negative 1 times negative 23. So ito 54 minus negative 19 times negative 18 over 23, magiging yan 900 over 23. Tapos dito naman 38 minus negative 31 minus 18 over 23, magiging siyang 316 over 23. Dito naman negative 56 minus negative 19 times 47 over 23. Pag i-input niya sa calculator, ang makukuha niyong value is negative 395 over 23. Ganon din dito, negative 19 minus negative 31 times 47 over 23. Makukuha nating value is negative 590 over 23. Yan. Ngayon, after nyan, kailangan natin mag cross multiply. Yan. Cross multiply natin yung mga yan. Ngayon, magiging value natin is negative 1 times negative 23. Magiging siyang positive 23 multiply by, cross multiply natin itong dalawa, magiging siyang 900 over 23 times negative 590 over 23 minus ito naman 316 over 23 multiply by negative 590 over 23. Ngayon, para makuha natin yung value ng equation na yan, input natin yan mga yan sa calculator. Ayan, once na na-input na natin sa calculator, makukuha natin value is negative 17,660, which is now our determinant. Yan ang ating magiging final answer.
Hey guys, for this video, I will teach you on how to solve a determinant using Choi's method. So, the determinant that we will use is, first is 3 by 3. So, here is the given matrix. 2, negative 5, 3, 0, 7, negative 2, negative 1, 4, and 1. To solve this kind of problem, first, you need to find the formula first. So the formula for Choi's method is 1 over a and minus 2. So a stands for a is equivalent to the first number of this matrix, and n is the method that we will use, which is 3 by 3. So to simplify this, 1 over a is equals to 2, and n 3 minus 2. Okay. The next step that we will do is gawin natin 2 by 2 itong 3 by 3 matrix na ito. So, paano yan? First, kunin natin yung first number ng first and second row. 2 and 0. And yung second number ng first and second row. Negative 5, 7. Next, 2, 0. Yung last number. 3, negative 2. Next is yung first number ng first and third row. 2, negative 1, negative 5, 4. Next, 2, negative 1, then yung last. 3 over 1. So the next step that we will do is simplify first the given formula. Okay, 1 over 3 minus 2 is equals to 1, and 2 raised to 1 is equals to 2. Next step that we will do is cross multiply this nakuha natin, tapos isubtract natin dun sa result na nakuha natin sa kabilaan, like this one. 2 times 7 is equals to 40. 0 times negative 5 is equals to 0. 14 minus 0 is equals to 14. And 2 minus negative times negative 2 is equals to negative 4. And 0 times 3 is equals to 0. The result is negative 4. Next, 2 times 4 is equals to 8. Negative 1 times negative 5 is equals to positive 5. 8 minus 5 is equals to 3. The next, 2 times 1 is equals to 2. Negative 1 minus positive 3 is equals to negative 3. So, next na gagawin natin yan is negative 3 to, no? Magiging positive yan to kasi iti-times natin yung negative 3 sa negative side. So, kalalabasan niya is 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. So, next, i-write lang natin dito. Ito itong formula. 4. By the way, hindi ko nasabi. Yung 2 dito is constant. Okay? 4, 14, 4, 3, and 5. So, next na gagawin natin yan is negative 4. Next na gagawin natin yan is, again, cross multiply natin, like anong process yung ginawa natin dito. Okay? 14 times 5 is equals to 70. 3 times negative 4 is equals to negative 12. So, same process yung ginawa natin dito. Magiging positive siya. So, 70 plus 12 is equals to 82. So, 82. May natitira pang 1/2 dito. Yung 1/2 dito, ita-times lang natin siya dito sa nakuha natin result. Times 1/2. So 82 times 1/2 is equals to 41. So here is the final, 41 is the final result of this matrix. Yun lang po kaisip. So for the example number 2 naman, using solving a determinant using Choi's method, ang gagawin naman natin yan is 4 by 4. So to solve the determinant using 4 by 4, here's the sample matrix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 5, 7, 3, 4, 10, 14, 6, 3, 4, 2, and 7. So, same process lang ng kaninang ginawa natin. Same process, same formula. Okay, the formula for this one is 8 and minus 2. As I said, yung A is yung first number na sa matrix natin. So, to simplify that, yung first number na gagamitin natin, kung kanina 2, ngayon naman ay 1. 1 over the L. Kanina 3, kasi 3 by 3 siya ngayon, 4. 4 minus 2 equals to, so, as I said, same process lang na ginawa natin kanina. Yung ngayon, kung 3 by 4 siya, gagawin natin yung 3 by 3 na process ginawa natin kanina. Same lang, kunin natin yung first and second row, first number of first and second row, tapos yung second number. 1 over 2 goes to 5. Next, 1, 3. Ay, 1, 2. 1, 2. Tapos, 3. 3, 7. 1, 2, and 4, 3. 1, 2, and 4, 3. Next, yung first and third row naman. 1, 4. Tapos, 2, 10. 1, 4. 3, 14. 1, 4, and 4, 6. Last. 1, yung first number of first and last row. 1, 3. Tapos 2, 4. 1, 3, 3, and 2, 1, 3, and 4, and 7. Okay. The next na gagawin natin, cross multiply and subtract. So, dito natin. Bago pa lang muna natin gawin yan, i-simplify muna natin ito. So, 1 over 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. So, 1 over 2 raised to 2 is equals to 1. Okay? So, start na natin ng cross multiply. So, first, 1 times 5 is equals to 5. 2 times 2 is equals to 4. 5 minus 4 is equals to 1. 1 times 7 is equals to 7. 2 times 3 is equals to 6. 7 minus 6 is equals to 1. 1 times 3 is equals to 3. 2 times 4 is equals to 8. 3 minus 5 is equals to negative 3. With the bigger number. Next, 1 times 10 is equals to 10. 4 times 3 is equals to 12. 10 minus 12 is equals to negative 2. 1 times 10 is equals to 10. 4 times 2 is equals to 8. So 10 10 minus 8 is equals to 2. Next, 1 times 14 is equals to 14. 4 times 3 is equals to 12. 14 minus 12 is equals to 2. 1 times 6 is equals to 6. 4 times 4 is equals to 16. Next, 1 times 4 is equals to 4. 3 times 2 is equals to 6. So, 4 minus 6 is equals to negative 2. 1 times 2 is equals to 2. 3 times 2 is equals to 6. 2 minus 6 is equals to negative 4. 1 times 7 is equals to 7. 3 times 4 is equals to 12. 7 minus 12 is negative 5. So, next na gagawin yan, so ito yung nakuha natin. So, next na process na gagawin natin is, so first step, kunin muna natin itong nasa taas. Tapos, kunin natin yung first number niya ulit. So, ito pa rin yung gagamitin natin formula. So, kunin natin yung first number, 1, n minus 2. Yung n naman natin ngayon is 3. Kung kanina 4. 3 naman ngayon. 3 minus 2. Yan. Tapos, kung katulad ng ginawa natin kanina, gagawin natin 2 by dito. Dun sa 3 by 3. Simple process lang. First, 1, 1, 2, and 1, 2. Next, 1, 2. Tapos yung last, negative 3 and 16. Next, 1. The first and last. 1, negative 2. Tapos, 1, negative 4. Then yung next, 1, negative 2. 3, and negative 5. So, once again, cross-multiply lang and subtraction. Tapos, isimplify muna natin to. 1 over 3 minus 1 is equals to 1. 1 over 1 is 1. Okay? Next, cross-multiply. Cross-multiply na tayo and subtraction. 1 minus 2, 1 times 2 is equals to 2. 2 times 2 is equals to 2 times 1 2 times 1 times 1 is equals to 2. So 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. 1 times 16 is equals to 16. 2 times negative 3 is equals to negative 6. So 16 minus 3 magiging 16 minus 6 magiging positive siya. So 16 plus 6 is equals to 22. 1 times negative 4 is equals to negative 4. 2 times negative 2 times 1 is equals to negative 2. Negative 4 minus negative 2. So magiging positive to. Negative 4 minus negative 4 minus positive 2 is equals to negative 2. Copy the bigger sign. Next, 1 times negative 5 is equals to negative 5. Negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6. Next is 1 times negative 5 is equals to negative 5. Tapos, negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6. So, negative 5 minus negative 6 is negative 11. So, in process, cross multiply. 0 times negative 11 is 0. Tapos, minus 2 times, negative 2 times, what do you call this? 22 is negative 22. So, pagkakamali kanina. Okay. Cross multiply. Again, 0 times negative 11 is equals to 0 minus negative 2 times 22 is equals to negative 44. So, to negative 44. So, final answer dyan is, once again, ipag-times natin yung negative dito sa negative sign. So, 0 minus negative 24 is magiging siyang positive 44. So yung 1 dito, 1 over 1 is equivalent to 1. So, gagawin natin, ita-times lang natin siya dito sa ating product. So, 44 times 1 is equals to positive 44. So, yun yung final answer natin sa ating matrix. 44.